Hi! Today I'm going to show you how to make this really cute gift tag book for your Advent season using items from my Echo Park paper mystery box and some items from the Dollar Tree. Let's get started. I'm going to begin by using a 6x6 paper pad. I'm going to use this one from Echo Park that I got in their Christmas mystery box. And I shared all the pieces that came with that in a previous video. But for this project, I'm going to use the Happy Holidays collection. And these are two-sided pieces of paper. And I'm going to start by making the pockets first. So each one of these little pages that have the pockets that you can stick your tag in, I'm going to work on making the pockets first. So I grabbed 13 pieces of paper so I could have a total of 26 pockets. So let me get my cutting board and then I'll show you what we do next. So to make each one of these little flaps, I use one piece of 6x6 scrapbook paper from that kit, and I'll cut them down so that it will end up being two pieces. And I'm going to use the different sides to have different patterns as the back and as the pocket that match. So to do that, I'm going to take my paper. Now this kit came with like a hole at the top, and so I'm going to go ahead and cut that strip off, but this strip is not going to go to waste, and I'll set that aside for later. And then I'm going to take the 6x6 piece of scrapbook paper and turn it so that it's facing the correct way. Top's at the top, bottom's at the bottom, and I'm going to cut it in half so that each piece is 3 inches going across. Next, I'm going to fold my paper to create a pocket. And my pocket, if you watched a couple of my paper crafting videos, you know that I just kind of eyeball things. But I just measured it, and my pockets are about 1 3/8 of an inch, so almost 1.5 inch. But I just kind of, you can see here that my pocket depth is a little different for each of these, and that's because I cut off that piece at the top that has the hole in it. And because I do that, then the length is kind of different. And so that's why I'm holding it up to another piece, so that way all my pages can be about the same height. But the pocket length will be a little different because of that. So then, because this is the pattern side, and I want it to be so the pocket on this side is the background on this side and vice versa. So to do that, I have this pattern that has an up and down pattern, right? There's a top and there's a bottom. And to do that, I'm going to turn it upside down and then match it up to my other card so that when I fold back the pocket, it's facing the right direction, like that. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and fold all of my pockets so that everything's cut down and folded and ready to be taped. So I'm going to go ahead and do that with all 13 pieces of 6x6 scrapbook paper. Now that I have my pockets folded, I'm gonna start working on putting them onto what I've already started. So I'm going to first tape down. I'll take these two because they'll be my next one. I'm gonna first tape down the pockets on both sides. I'll put tape here and here, and then tape it. Same with this side. Next, I need to tape them together, and I'm using a piece of paper to connect them. So I have 3 connecting pieces, and I took the top of the scrapbook paper that I cut off that had the hole on it. I folded it in half again, and then in half again, so that it's in eighths. And then I took it and I made like an accordion pattern with it, like so. And this is how I am connecting the cards together so that they're together. So you can see this middle one here. This will connect 4 sets of cards, but then you need to connect that 4 to another 4. So this is where you get this middle guy. But now I'm ready for a new set of 4. So I'll show you how I do that. So first, I am going to put tape on the backs. So this I'll tape around the top and both sides and the bottom. And this card, I'm just going to put tape on the bottom. Okay, I have my pages ready. I've peeled the tape off, and so I just want to make sure that I have the pocket on the bottom, and I'm just going to, because it's not going to stick or anything, I'm just going to match it up to my last one that I did. And I have this accordion piece here, and I'm just going to fold it up onto that sticky piece. And like I said, I have 3 accordions that are going, so I'm going to grab another one. And I want to grab it so that the fold is at the top when I place it onto the paper. I'm going to put that one on the right side. Grab the other one. Once again, the fold needs to be on the top. And I'll stick that on right there. Okay. And then I'm going to take my flaps and fold them down so that they're like this. And then I'm going to take the other side of that pocket card, make sure my pocket's on the bottom. This I need to be careful as I put it down because now they are going to stick together. So I just match it up. It's the first time I had a problem with it. Of course, it's when I'm recording. Alright, so let's try that again. I want to make sure I match them up real carefully so that they will go down straight. And match up well. Okay, there we go. And because I have the tape at the bottom of this card, it'll connect it to the other accordion piece. So this one's a little floppy, but it'll be okay because it's only connecting pieces, that middle accordion. But so now I'm just going to do the same with the other pockets. So I got these two, and I'll tape the pockets down, and then this time this accordion will match, and then I'll need to get another accordion for the middle piece after I do these ones, when I do this one, to connect the groups of 4. So I'm just going to start recording. You'll kind of see how that works, and that is how I connect my pockets. So next I'm going to make the cover. So I grabbed a piece of 12 by 12 scrapbook paper, also from my Echo Park haul, and this is part of the Have a Holly Jolly Christmas. And I am going to make a mark on this side, and then so I'm going to cut it straight down that way, and then I'm going to cut this white piece off and then go from there. So I've decided to have the stripe portion on the inside and this be the outside. So I'm just not realizing that pattern's going to be a little funky if I do that. So I think I'm going to have this be on the inside and the stripe on the outside. And I want it to fold up and then also have a flap at the top, but I'm more concerned about this matching up. So I have my folded pockets face down and my cover upside down. I'm just gonna kind of fold with it so I can get those creases like so. Kind of pinch it a little so that when I go to put tape, those will stay. And then I know that this will fold over like so. Okay, now I'm going to add tape, but the only place I'm going to put tape is here at the bottom. So here you can see I added a ribbon to it. I like to have a tie closure on my projects, and my covers nicely attached so that way my little cards are my pocket cards are there. And now I'm going to take some gift tags that I got from the Dollar Tree and just slip them into each pocket. So I have 26 pockets, which is enough for all the days. I'll probably just leave the black pocket blank. And just show you real quick, I have the set from the Dollar Tree. I have this set from the Dollar Tree, and I have this set. I noticed this one has blues a part of it, and so I think I'm going to use this blue set, and it has 25 tags, so that's the perfect amount. So I'm going to go ahead and take these out and fill this up with them. It does come with strings, but I think I'm going to leave the strings off. But I mean, if you wanted to put the strings on, you definitely could. So there you have it, my gift tag advent calendar that I made using items from my Christmas mystery box from the Echo Park Paper Company and some items from the Dollar Tree. And I just think it turned out really cute. I like the flaps, I like how it opens. And you could do, several things with your tags. You could use it for memory recording. You could put down a daily activity you want to do on each card, and your kids can pull them in the morning. You could take a picture or draw a picture on the back. So many things you could do. You could put a Bible verse on here. But it's just a fun way to record your Advent season. And it was pretty quick to put together. So today, what is today? Today is Tuesday before Thanksgiving. And so you have, a few days to put one together if you want to have one for your Christmas season. But let me know in the comments down below if this is something you would like to have, and I can list it in my Etsy shop. Also, let me know in the comments down below, what are some of your favorite Christmas traditions? And I will see you guys next time. Bye!
If you would like to see more, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss a video.